Okay guys, on several occasions I've tried to do this, but it's not been easy. I'm so tired about it, but I'll try and see if I can show it one more time. I need to look for my uh, okay, I have my Firefox here. I want to show you the account actually so that you can get to see it. So you can see I'm loading it up now. What TMNmedia signal strategy does is the same. S-Robot, you can see signal coming in. S-Robot also generates signal from TMNmedia signal service, but there are different versions. Now you are seeing on this account we have 583. Now what I want to show you is this. I'm going to go to statements page, right? I'm going to, okay, I think I should go back. I want to go to statement and show you, so you get to know when and what I started with. When we started this, when the S-Robot started trading. So I'm going to scroll down and look for deposit. Right, I'm looking for deposit. When I see 300, that is the day I deposited. I increased the account so that it can do more trades. Now we are still in testing phase. We're gonna move very soon to the establishing phase. The establishing phase is where my account can start trading with $4,000, $1,000 and the more. So you can see $300 here, just around here. You can see the deposit, 300. Now, which day is this? On the 12th, right? That is on the 12th. On the 12th, which should be roughly about maybe close to Sunday. You can see the balance there is 394. Okay, let's just say $395, right? Okay, so this account is purely being traded by the S-Robot. Yes, it's purely being traded by the S-Robot. For those who are wondering, right now I am not accepting people for S-Robot. It's going to be on hold till next year because I just need to rest. I've been stressing myself too much. I don't want to break down. Now, let's go to the profit table so that you can see what it's doing. Now, this is Faith TMNmedia trading for you. Now, you can see 16th. On the 16th, the robot traded 4 times. 16 is today. It traded 4 times and it won all his trades. So it made about $60. It made about $60. Be looking at the indices. There are different indices. It's not just one. It trades all indices. There are times if the signal comes all at once from, like for instance this one, all the signal came from 50 indices. And if you look at it, it's not the same timing. So you need to understand, it is not the same timing. It is not the same timing. Okay, you need to understand that. So this is how it works. It's quite simple. It's quite easy. The robot does the trade just the way I would trade. Yes, just the way that I would trade. That's why I'm showing you trades. All these trades that are done, they are done by the robot, not me. Okay, all I had to do was just check if it has done. You can see losses and you can see wins. You can even see losses, minus 86. You can see losses, right, minus 33. So it's trading and it's growing account. So since on the 12th, now today is 16, let's just say roughly about 4 days, it has made this profit. So how much profit has it made? Roughly, let's say about $185. So it has made $185, just roughly almost like half of what is there. So it's more like in 4 days it has made 50%. This is TMNmedia signal service. That's what it's trading. It's trading what I trade. So you need to understand, there's no magic about it. There is no magic about it. You just need to slow, steady. There are days you're going to have clean slate. all profit. There are days you're going to have some losses. You keep it. You're going to have good results. Now, this is the Hess Robot update. I am not currently, guys, I am not accepting anybody. I wanted 30. Already I have about 45 people. I am done. I want to rest for the Christmas, and I want them all to be able to start trading and making real money just the same way you are seeing right now. So I've told you guys I may not be showing you again much activity on this account because once I go big, I'm not showing anything. God bless you. See you in another video.